All right, today we're gonna bring some trash bags. These are heavy duty trash bags available. They give you a bunch of them so you don't have to worry about. We're gonna actually test one out because it's supposed to hold a lot of weight. Let's find out. Let's go ahead and test one out. Let's take a look at one bag right now. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna fill it with water, see how much water we can get, it can retain. I like to test the bags out because, you know, some of these bags claim they can do the stuff, so we're actually gonna see if that's the truth. All right, so let's go ahead and set one up in here. We're gonna go ahead and start draining, start adding water, see how much we're gonna get in there. If we can fill a couple gallons, if it can hold a couple of weights, then they're good bags. So let's take a look. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're not gonna waste the water, we're gonna throw it in the pool, all right? So we're not gonna waste a lot of water today. And we're just making sure that it's not draining. I'm gonna fill it up halfway at least to see how much weight we can do. And the water that's coming out is me leaking here. It's holding on its weight. Okay, I think I got 1 or 2 gallons in here, so we're gonna turn it off and wait the machine out. So let's go ahead and turn it off. I spill a little bit of water here and there. I'm gonna lift it up. So lifting it up, not that bad. Getting all the air out so you guys can see how much I have in here. Perfect. You don't believe me? Look at that. Perfect weight on the actual water bags. So let's get rid of the water. Heavy duty bag, reusable still, and of course environment friendly in case you ever worry about, you know, disposing the bags. I mean, they should actually dissolve in a couple of weeks and days. So hope you guys enjoy the video.